Hi, I'm Liav, and today I want to show you scenarios, one of the most powerful things on Option Samurai and probably the most underused. In one sentence, scenarios lets you ask, what would these trades look like if the underlying moved a specific amount? For instance, in this image, you can see a trade with three different what-ifs lines. What if a stock hits the analyst's target price? What if it falls to its 52-week low? Or what if it goes to its 200-day moving average? And so on. Take a look at my screen. This is a scan called Leap Calls with High Return on Analyst's Target Price. Down here in the sidebar, you'll see a panel called Scenario Number 1. It's set to 0% from the target price, meaning assume the stock hits the analyst's average price target by expiration. Now look at the table. Every row here is a long-term call, a leap, that the engine says will be profitable if its underlying stock reaches that target. And the rightmost column, PL on expiry, shows you how profitable. Okay, let me show you another one. Same leap idea, different question. This scan looks at stocks that are deeply oversold, RSI below 30, and the scenario down here asks, what if these stocks just recover back to their 200-day moving average? Not to a new high, just back to the mean. And the PL column tells you exactly which calls would pay off if that mean reversion actually happens. Okay, this is the part I really want you to see. This is a totally different strategy, selling puts, not buying calls. And notice, there's no scenario set on this one yet, but I can add one in 2 clicks. I'm going to click Add Scenario and ask the engine a question. What happens to these puts if the stock drops by 1 full standard deviation before expiration? In other words, only show me the trades that would still be profitable even if the stock takes a real hit. Hit Run Scan, and there it is. Every put on this list survives a 1 standard deviation drop. That's an instant margin of safety check on the entire market, done in about 10 seconds. And you can add multiple scenarios to the same scan, which is another awesome thing to do. Anyway, that's scenarios. Pull up one of your own scans and try adding one. You'll see what I mean.